Everybody, welcome back to another update about Shiba. My friends, holders, today's your day. Absolutely, my friends. Now you think that what they're talking about Shiba. I know today changes is negative, so how we are in the profit. My friends, absolutely now the currently and latest situation of the Shiba Inu is negative, but I know about the future of the Shiba Inu, and especially the August. The August days of the Shiba Inu is very good days for all Shiba Inu holders, my friends. So celebrate it. Anyways, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So let me show you the latest update, and after that we are going to discuss the future price of the Shiba Inu. 0.000006 USD dollar is the currently live and latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market. And furthermore, if you talk about the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu, so my friends, absolutely completely, my friends, completely from the last 7 days, you can see the last 7 days, the last 1 day and the last 1 hour changes of the Shiba Inu is negative completely. That's mean that the price jumps. And 37 is the market rank of the Shiba Inu. I think Shiba Inu is fast down from 28 rank to 37 from the last 2 hours. Absolutely, in the Shiba Inu, from the June July month is the dumping month of the Shiba Inu. And you know what, my friends, now my prediction, my technical analysis is going positive about Shiba Inu. That's why I tell you that today is your day, my friends, because in the August, higher possibilities, my friends, 90% possibilities that Shiba Inu will explode in August, will take in a huge pump in August. Anyways, we can't say about the future, but I recommend for all of you to invest now. It's opportunity for all of you. It's a big opportunity, my friends. Invest now more and more in the Shiba Inu, because when they are going to hit a $1 dollar, so I hope that will make you millionaire. Buy now and hold for a long time. Remember that if you are a holder of low price coin, so now I request everybody to please hold for a long time. That's how you can get a huge amount of profit from a cryptocurrencies market. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.